I'm really enjoying my Ailun Glass Screen Protectors. They come in a 3-pack, which is nice, and there's a pamphlet inside that contains a website that provides really detailed video instructions, which is really nice. The instructions were simple and straightforward, and everything that I needed was included in the package. To start off, first you clean your screen with the wet wipes that are provided. And then once you're done with that, you dry your screen with the dry wipes that are provided. Those are labeled clearly. And then once you're done with that, you take the sticker that is provided in the package and you stick it all along the screen to remove any lint that might have been left behind. And once you are finished cleaning and drying your screen, you take the screen protector, peel off the sticky back label, and align it with your phone's screen. And once you have the alignment that you are satisfied with, all you have to do is gently set down the screen protector over the screen and press down the very top part of the screen protector. And then the rest happens magically all by itself, which is really cool. You don't need to squeegee this, or you don't need to use any special tools. This screen protector just adheres itself on its own, and it does not leave any bubbles. So if you're looking for a top quality glass screen protector that is easy to install on your own, I 100% recommend these.